When roofing your house in Kenya, avoid these common mistakes. Number 1, neglecting proper waterproofing. Ensure thorough waterproofing measures are taken, especially in areas prone to heavy rainfall. Use quality sealants and membranes to prevent water leakage, which can lead to structural damage and mold growth. Number 2, using low quality materials. Invest in durable roofing materials to withstand Kenya's diverse weather conditions. Inferior materials may deteriorate quickly, leading to frequent repairs and increased long-term costs. Number 3, inadequate ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent moisture buildup in the attic. Inadequate ventilation can lead to issues like mold, rot, and reduced energy efficiency. Install vents and ensure balanced airflow systems. Number 4, improper installation of roofing sheets. Precise installation is essential to prevent leaks and other issues. Follow manufacturers' guidelines, use the correct fasteners, and ensure proper alignment of roofing sheets. Improper installation can compromise the integrity of the roof. And finally, number 5, disregarding local weather conditions. Consider the specific weather conditions in your region. Kenya experiences a range of climates, so choose roofing materials that can withstand heat, rain, and potential wind loads. Consult with local experts to tailor your roofing approach to the environment. By addressing these aspects, you can enhance the longevity and performance of your roofing system in Kenya.